In 10 seconds, I'm going to tell you which one of these shots was taken with no lens guards, but can you guess which one? So how can this shot look the same as the other two when lens guards are meant to affect image quality so badly? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best from your lens guards, tips on what to do and what not to do, and how lens guards can ruin your images, and also which is the best for your X4, standard lens guards or premium lens guards. Harsh sunlight is definitely your enemy of lens guards, and it can ruin your images with reflections and lens flares. And also, shooting in sunny conditions may draw attention to the stitch line and also to any dust or marks that you've got on the lens guard itself. And all of this is made a lot worse when you're shooting into the sun. And these factors are also more noticeable when you start reframing across the stitch line, and generally just reframing and moving around your image or moving the camera around itself. Of course, there are times when your camera is vulnerable and you'll feel safer using lens guards. If your shot is static like this, it's hard to notice the difference with these three shots. They all have a bit of lens flare, but it looks pretty acceptable. Generally though, a lot of our stuff won't be static, it will be moving. So if you've got a moving shot and you intend to use the lens guards, make sure the main lens that you're going to use isn't being hit by the sun. Take this walking shot where I'm filming myself, but I'm walking with the sun behind me, so that means it's hitting the lens that is facing me, and this causes all sorts of horrible reflections and ugly lens flares. In particular, the shot is worse with the premium lens guards, and if you zoom out you can see this horrible ring around the entire image. With the standard guard, you've introduced a bit of reflection and small image artifacts, but it's acceptable and you really have to look for it. And as expected, with no lens guards, the image is clean. But now if I walk towards the sun is now hitting the other lens that's the other side of the camera, so this makes all the shots of me a lot cleaner and all are usable. The reframing of your shot in the right direction in relation to the sun is essential, and this reduces the problem dramatically. So sunlight is the enemy of lens guards, so surely that means that flat light is your friend. And even though flat light doesn't produce the best results with 360 cameras, it should level the playing field when we look at the lens guard comparisons. However, in this test with the standard lens guards, you can see reflections coming in at the sides. With the premium lens guards, it's even worse, and the reflections give you those blurry spots in your images. It's usable, but still very noticeable. So why are we seeing an inferior image with the premium lens guards against the standard lens guards in all of these tests? These are meant to be premium after all, and you do pay a premium price, you'd expect the results to be a lot better. Well, if we take a closer look, the premium lens guards are actually a lot deeper than the standard lens guards. And I think having a piece of glass that's further away from the lens compared to the standard lens guards, it's enough to create more reflections and more problems. When I discover problems like this, I always find it really frustrating. And it raises the question, were these properly tested on a real shoot by somebody that regularly shoots 360 video? The benefit, I suppose, of having this deeper glass is that the top of the glass is further away from the lens itself. So if this camera was to have an impact, even if the lens guard were to break, there's less chance that the lens itself would break. And these lens guards are pretty tough, as you can see from these tests that I did in an earlier video, which I'll link at the end. The premium lens guards are made from tempered glass, which is 4 times stronger than ordinary glass. And these are also easier to clean than the plastic lens guards, and keeping your lens guards clean is also essential to get the best image quality possible. And these don't suffer with as many scratches as the standard plastic lens guards do. It does say that these premium lens guards are scratch resistant, but in the tests that I've done, these do still scratch. I think what it means is these are less likely to scratch if you put them in your pocket with keys or coins and spare batteries and things like that. The image quality with the X4 is ultimately better without any lens guards, but if you are going to use lens guards, then these tests prove, surprisingly and disappointingly, that the standard lens guards do produce better images than the more expensive premium lens guards. And if you want more tips to get the best image quality from your X4, you want to watch this video next, and I'll see you over there.